Um, Hi, in today's video you will see me create a 3D model of an animal cell made out of recyclable materials. Uh, I will be explaining what I was doing on the way, and I will also be explaining the functions of each organelles present in the cell. Uh, that's all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So almost everything is made out of cardboard. So here I am dividing it into pieces for different parts of the cell. I trace it with a plate to create a circle for the top and base of the cell. I then use some excess cardboard and cut them into pieces. I stuck them into trees to create that elevation and 3D effect to the cell model. Here's my effort in making sure that they would dry faster. Hello. I stack them and put another cardboard on top to create the first layer, and I used some old folders to cover the sides. I repeat it twice, and this is the outcome. I then add bond paper so it'll look neat and clean. I then draw the organelles on some cardboard and cut them like this. Then I colored them with some old paint from previous projects. It's almost done, and here I am trying to piece all the parts together to complete the cell, and I also did it on the other half. And here's the final outcome. Now, let's try to identify them one by one. The first is the nucleus, a membrane-bound organelle which functions as a control center of the cell because it dictates most activities of the cell, and inside of it is the nucleolus. It is comparatively darker and it aids in the formation of protein and RNA synthesis. We have the endoplasmic reticulum, which is divided into two. The rough ER is covered with ribosomes, hence the name rough. It synthesizes protein which the cell needs. On the other hand, the smooth ER is not covered with ribosomes, hence the name smooth. It synthesizes lipids and steroid hormones. The next one are the ribosomes, the most abundant and the tiniest cell organelle. It also aids in synthesizing protein which the cell requires. The next is the cell membrane. It covers and protects the cell. It functions as a selective barrier to regulate what will be imported and exported in the cell. The next organelle is the Golgi apparatus, also known as Golgi complex or Golgi body. It modifies, packs, and exports proteins to different cell parts. Next up is the lysosomes. It has digestive enzymes. It functions as removing waste and breaking down worn out cells called autolysis. The next organelle is the mitochondria. It is widely known as the powerhouse of the cell because it generates the needed chemicals to power the cell's biochemical reactions. The next one are the centrioles. These are paired barrel-shaped organelles found floating in the cytoplasm. Its function is to organize microtubules that serves as a cell's skeletal system. Next up is the cytoskeleton. It is a microscopic network of protein filaments and tubules that gives coherence and shape to a cell. The next up is the vesicle, a tiny structure within a cell that serves as a small transport containers, moving substance around the cell and to the cell membrane. The next organelle is the vacuole. Its main function is storage of food, water, metabolic, and toxic wastes. While in plants, its function as storage, secretion, and also excretion. And for the last one will be the cytosol. It is a liquid inside the cell that keeps everything from organelles, proteins, and other structures afloat. It is made out of complex solution which allows life to take place. That's the end of it. I hope you learned plenty from the video. Stay safe, take care, and peace.